Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, have remarkably become an essential and integral part of the modern agriculture industry. Nevertheless, amidst the cacophony of all the noise, one definitely crucial question remains unanswered. Are GMOs secretly and silently damaging our precious kidneys and liver? When it comes to kidney and liver health, the concerns around GMOs are very real. Some studies have suggested a link between GMO consumption and damage to these vital organs. As a parent, the thought of unknowingly feeding your child a toxic substance is truly terrifying. It's no wonder that many are left wondering if the convenience and appeal of GMOs is worth the potential risk they pose to their health and well-being. The truth is that we are all exposed to GMOs in some form, regardless of whether we acknowledge it or not. The critical question that arises is this: are we consciously playing with a fire without truly realizing the potential consequences? The importance of this matter is immense, and it is crucial that we uncover the true nature of this issue. As individuals who consume various products, we are entitled to know the ingredients and substances that are being introduced into our bodies. The deeper you delve into the extensive research carried out, the more concerning and alarming it becomes. A significant study published in the reputed and renowned Journal of Applied Toxicology found that the use of genetically modified corn (GMO) had a damaging impact on the kidneys and liver health in mammals. Another comprehensive study, published in the esteemed International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health, also unveiled a robust correlation between the consumption of genetically modified corn (GMO) and alterations in the liver and kidney function. These gripping and eye-opening findings are definitely enough to make anyone sit up and take notice. The million-dollar question that now lies on everyone's mind is, what exactly is going on here? Can we be absolutely sure that what we are consuming and using every day is genuinely safe and healthy? The mechanisms by which GMOs may negatively affect the kidney and liver health in humans are complex, multifaceted, and not entirely clear-cut. On one hand, there are researchers who believe that the genetic modifications themselves could potentially be causing the health concerns. They argue that the genetic elements in GMOs could potentially trigger an immune response, leading to organ inflammation or damage. So, there's this respected doctor named Dr. Don Huber, right? And he's been saying for ages that GMOs are bad for us. Ever since he talked to the media, he's been saying that GMOs can mess with your gut microbiome, which is super important for your overall health. The thing is, his ideas are pretty scary. You don't just wake up one day and start saying, hey, GMOs are a huge problem. There's a lot of research behind it, and he has a solid theory. Researchers at the University of Caen in France have discovered that genetically modified GM organisms can adversely affect the function of the liver and kidneys, resulting in long-term inflammation and increased oxidative stress levels. This is particularly concerning, given the crucial role these organs play in detoxifying our bodies. Dr. Stephanie Seneff, a big-name researcher working with MIT, has been checking out the effects of GMOs on human health for ages. She found that a lot of GMOs use the herbicide called glyphosate, and it's causing an increase in the number of people getting chronic kidney disease. This thing has been getting a lot of attention lately, and so now it's time for us to really dig in and figure out how to study it and find solutions. However, let me point out the following important note. Although GMOs may be causing certain harm, it is absolutely not as straightforward as simply deciding to eliminate them from our diets in every situation. The truth is, GMOs are everywhere, and I mean everywhere. They're in our bread, our pasta, even our coffee creamer. The solution: we need to choose either organic products or a more comprehensive approach. As consumers, it's crucial to be informed and vigilant in making choices. In recent years, a surprising finding has emerged that could challenge our entire understanding of GMOs. Some researchers have discovered that the mere presence of GMOs in our food system may not be the problem. It's the way they're processed. So, The main thing isn't just the GMO itself, you know. It's actually the nasty chemicals they use to make them stronger and last longer. This brings up some good questions about the role of companies like Monsanto and the bunch more in the whole GM thing. The whole GMO thing can be pretty confusing, right? That's why I think it's important that we all give it some thought and chat about it a bit more. You know, it's kinda crucial that we all keep our heads up and demand more integrity from the folks who make our food. Honestly, it's not just about us either. Our kids and grandkids need to have access to safe and good food too. So, when we're making food choices, let's think about the bigger picture and do our part for a better world. Hey there. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. If you've got any thoughts or ideas about GMOs and their impact on our health, feel free to share them in the comments. And hey, if you're into food safety and all things health related, be sure to check out when my upcoming video comes out.